friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking graffiti eggplants in the air fryer. You heard me right, these eggplants are called graffiti eggplants. It's just a type of eggplant, and when I saw that sign at the ethnic supermarket that said graffiti eggplant, it really caught my attention. So I just had to get them. And what's the best way to cook eggplant? I say air fryer. So I will show you how to cook them in the air fryer. They're so tasty, so healthy, easy to make. You're going to love them. Before making this video, I washed these graffiti eggplants. And something I want to show you, those stems have kind of prickly. They have those little spikes, so just be careful. So to cut those little eggplants, I'm going to cut off that whole stem and just throw them out. Just take care when you handle it so you don't get poked. And I'm not going to peel them, I'll just eat them with their skin. I find eggplant skin is totally edible, but if you prefer, of course you can peel them, just peel them with a vegetable peeler. But since they're small, their skin is soft, and to me the less work the better. I'll leave the skin on and let me just cut them into pieces. So I cut it in half. And I slice it lengthwise and then cube it. So here we have eggplant cubes, and leaving the skin on adds this beautiful color. So they're called graffiti just because of their unique skin that's purple with little white stripes. And I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and I'll just start putting them directly in the air fryer. And repeat with the remaining graffiti eggplants. They're all sliced. Let me just put the rest of them in the air fryer basket. And now I'm going to add oil and seasonings. Eggplant goes really well with olive oil, so I really add it for flavor. If you're determined to keep it fat-free, feel free to omit the oil. It will still be tasty, less calories, but if you're going for the maximum flavor, I do recommend the oil. So just drizzle with olive oil to taste. And for my seasonings, I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I do like garlic flavors with eggplant. It goes really well with it. Feel free to use your own seasonings, whatever you like. So let me sprinkle the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and now I'm going to toss it to coat it with oil and seasonings. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake it so the eggplant cooks more evenly. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this graffiti eggplant. That looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I recommend trying a piece and just see if it's tender enough to your liking. If you think it should be more tender, you'd like it cooked more, just put it back in the air fryer and cook it for an additional 2 minutes or so, or until it's perfectly cooked. The cooking time really depends on your air fryer and how much eggplant is in there. The more you put, it might take a little longer to cook. But now it's perfectly ready, and I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It tastes so delicious. It's perfectly tender, well seasoned, and roasting it in the air fryer brings out this deep flavor that's so delicious. Even if you think you don't like eggplant, I do recommend trying it this way. Air fried way is the best way. You will love it. It's so tasty, so healthy, and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!